Brothers and sisters, today welcome to the discussion class of an essay, The Rainy Season. Now before doing that, let us do Brahmanath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swastha. Now we'll discuss the essay, The Rainy Season. Now before writing about an essay on a season, you can first give the introduction that should be related to the number of essays, I mean the number of seasons that we feel in a year. Now let us discuss the introduction part. So introduction part we will discuss now. Introduction part we will discuss now. In the introduction, we should discuss that there are some 6 seasons. There are 6 seasons that we feel in our country India, and rainy season is one of them. Now we know that rainy season starts at the end of June, generally at the end of June, and continues till the end of September. Now I like this season the most. So this is all about the rainy season introduction part. Any essay you like to write related to season, you can write like this, only giving the necessary change in the name of the season. Now the next side heading that we should discuss, that is number 2, a relief to all. Rainy season comes after the hot summer, so that is in the introduction part. Now number 2, the side heading, a relief to all. A relief to all. A relief to all. In this side heading, we should discuss that rainy season brings a great delight to all, to man, to animals, to birds, to trees, creepers, and all other living beings. And when rainy season comes, Mother Earth wears her green robe and looks very beautiful. This is all about the relief or great delight that rainy season brings to all living beings. And now the next side heading, that is 3, that is scenes of rainy season. Scenes of rainy season. Scenes of rainy season. Now in scenes of rainy season, you should write that generally rainy season, in rainy season the sky is covered with cloud and the sun is seldom seen. The sun is seldom seen. seen. The sun is seldom seen. And rain comes with rain comes with thunder. Rain comes with thunder and lightning. Rain comes with thunder and lightning. Rain comes with thunder and lightning, and a few showers of rain. A few showers of rain make the earth green, with new leaves and green grass. So the earth looks very beautiful. And sometimes it rains for days together. Under this heading, under the scenes of the rainy season heading, I would like to say that sometimes it rains for days together. Sometimes it rains for days together. That means for many days it rains continuously. And the Mother Earth looks beautiful, and when it rains for days together, it causes flood, pools, tanks, streams are all filled up again after hot summer. And rivers and streams overflow, that cause flood. Rivers and streams overflow. Rivers and streams overflow, which cause flood. All over the state, all over the area, you can see, all over the area that is affected by rain. Then wild streams, wild springs run on rocky bed with their musical sound, and then after that, in villages children like to set paper boards on running streams. Children like to set paper boards on running streams. Like to set paper boards on running streams. People go everywhere with umbrella and raincoats. People go everywhere with their umbrella and raincoats, otherwise they will face problem because of rain. So it becomes a practice for the people in this season that wherever they go, they take with them raincoats or raincoats or umbrellas. Then some people like to get wet. Some children particularly, like to get wet in rain. And some people like to watch heavy rainfall through their window. Some people like to watch rain of scene of rain through their window, sitting in their room. Like this, these are the different scenes that we can see in rainy season. And then the next heading. The next heading is that rainy season is a friend of farmers. That is number 4. That is number 4, side heading, number 4. Rainy season is friend of farmers. Friend of farmers. Rainy season is friend of farmers. How rainy season is a friend of farmers, let us discuss. You know, when rainy season comes, it keeps the farmer busy in their field, working in their field, in plowing, sowing seeds, weeding, and many other agriculture related work. Agriculture related work. Many other agriculture related work. And you know, the main another thing I would like to tell you, that the farmers continue to work even when it rains, and they don't bother about the rain. Even when it rains, they continue their work. Then the main crops of this season are paddy, jute, and maize. Paddy, jute and maize. And there are other crops, of course, but these are the main crops of the season. So that is all about the 4th side heading, that is friend of farmers. How rainy season is friend of farmers, that we discussed. Then we will discuss about the 5th side heading, that is disadvantages of rainy season. Disadvantages of rainy season. Disadvantages of rainy season. Disadvantages of rainy season. We will discuss the disadvantages of the rainy season. Rainy season brings a lot of disadvantages to people and animal and birds also. When rain comes, it causes flood. Severe rainfall causes flood and damages crops. Rivers overflow. River embankments are broken, and because of that, many people suffer. Flood washes away many thatched houses. Many people die, and many domestic animals also are washed away. So this much side heading will continue in the second part of the essay when we will discuss in the next class. It will continue. This side heading will continue in that part. This much for today, and this is up to this. There will be in the part 1 essay of rainy season, essay that is rainy season. From this part, in the next part it will continue, this side heading will continue in part 2. Now we will stop the discussion here. I would like to tell you that you will get a photocopy of this part 1 written essay, that is rainy season, from which you can take practical help. This is all for today. Thank you.